Jamaica
This evening at
Watch
approximately 6 p.m., there was a robbery attempt at a wholesale, Chinese wholesale, along the Church Street area here in Montego Bay. Members of the Beat Officer Patrol Division heard of the robbery in progress. They intercepted the robbers and a shootout ensued. Out of that shootout, we recognized that 3 robbers were involved in that shootout. 2 firearms were left behind after the police engaged, and we believe that 1 or 2 of these robbers may have been injured in the shootout, hence leaving the guns behind. 1 gun was left at this location and another one near that drain there. We are encouraging persons to stay home. We will be occupying this space throughout the period of this storm to ensure that no criminality takes place. We are here to serve, protect, and reassure, and we are trying to ensure as best as possible that the downtown Montego Bay space remains crime-free throughout this Hurricane Melissa. Thank you.